Online Destination Import. You can use this service on the Škoda Connect portal to send selected destinations to your car's navigation system. Select the Trip Planner tile. Now, find your desired destination, either directly in the map, by selecting a category of nearby places, or using the search bar. You can click on the Navigate button to see the route of the trip. Then, click on Send to send the destination to your vehicle. You can give a name to the destination. Finally, press Confirm. Your destination is sent to the navigation system in your vehicle. You can also send destinations to your car using the My Škoda app. Select the Trip Planner tile and the map appears. You can search for your desired destination either using the search bar, by clicking into the map, or by selecting an event from your calendar. If you want, you can also find places that are near your destination, such as fuel stations, parking, restaurants, or supermarkets. Click on Nearby and then select your desired category of nearby places. This enables you to see 20 closest nearby places on the map. Now you can click on each of the points on the map to see additional information, such as distance from the desired destination, if it is currently open or closed, and the contact telephone number. Once you have selected your destination, click on the button Show Route and then Send to Vehicle. You can also change the name of the destination. Finally, press Send. You can also send the destination to your car when searching for the destination in other map-based applications, for example, Google Maps. Once your desired destination is selected, press the Share button and select the My Škoda app. Once you give a name to your trip, press Send to Vehicle. You can download the newly added destinations to your navigation system by clicking on Connect and Online Destinations. Here, select Update to import your created destinations from the Škoda Connect portal or the My Škoda app to your car. Alternatively, you can press Nav. Go to My Destinations and select Destinations. By selecting a destination, you will start navigating to the selected destination.